Hello, my dear students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, mathematics.com. This mathematics Olympiad question is not a very difficult sum, but if you make any mistake in adopting the method, then you have to face lots of problem and even you may not get the solution. So see the method. What is the method that I am going to apply for this sum? What we shall do first, we shall keep the largest and the smallest value together and the other two values together. So if we write it like this, x minus 1 and this is x minus 4, this one and this one is kept together. After that, this x minus 2 and x minus 3 I am keeping together. If we do not do so, you will not get the solution. What is the reason that I have considered it so? Now, if we multiply this part and if we multiply this part, we shall get some common part. So let us multiply it. If we multiply the entire part, it will be x square minus x minus 4x. It will be minus 5x. Minus 1 into minus 4 is plus 4. Okay. Now, if we multiply this one, this is x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 120. Now, you see this x square minus 5x is common in both the part. So, we shall consider this part as y. So, let y equal to x square minus 5x. Okay. Now, let us put the value of y here. If we put x square minus 5x equal to y, this will become y plus 4 and it will become y plus 6. Let us multiply this part again. So if we multiply it, what we shall get? Y square 4y plus 6y, that is 10y. And this is 4 6 24. If we shift this 120 here, it is minus 120. Okay. Now, this can be written as y square plus 10y. 24 minus 120 is minus 96. Again, we shall apply middle term factor. Okay. If you have not subscribed my channel till now, please subscribe it, because always I used to bring this types of questions in my YouTube channel. So if we apply middle term factor here, what are the factors? 16 into 6 is 96 and 16 minus 6 is 10. So the factors are 16 and 6. So this is y square. In place of this 10, what we can write? 16 minus 6 into y minus 96. Okay. So this can be written as y square plus 16y minus 6y minus 96 equal to 0. So from here, what we can take common? We can take y common, and from here 6 is common. So this can be written as, if we take y common, it is y plus 16. And from here, if we take minus 6 common, it is y plus 16 again. So y plus 16, it is equal to 0. So this is y plus 16 and this is y minus 16. Very simple sum. Now the sum has become very simple one. Just we shall consider this part is 0 and this part is 0. So if we consider y plus 16 equal to 0, and if we consider y minus 6 equal to 0, initially we consider this y as x square minus 5x. Now we shall put the value of y, that is x square minus 5x plus 16. If we put it here, it is x square minus 5x minus 6 equal to 0. So if we apply middle term factor here again, what we shall get? X square, this can be written as 6 minus 1 into x minus 6 equal to 0. So this can be written as x square minus 6x plus x minus 6 equal to 0. So if we take x common, it is x minus 6 and this is plus 1 x minus 6. So what we have got here? We have got that x minus 6 into x plus 1 equal to 0. That means we have obtained two values of x. One is -1 and the other is 6. So these are the two real roots. Now let us find the value of x from this part again. Again, this is x square minus 5x plus 16 equal to 0. So here we cannot apply middle term factor. That means we have to go for quadratic equation formula. What is the quadratic equation formula? Quadratic equation formula is x equal to minus b plus minus root over d by 2ic. So let us find the value of d and put it here, and we shall get the value of x. So what is the value of d here? D is b square minus 4ac. This is the formula of d. What is the value of b? B is minus 5. This is 4. What is the value of a? 1. What is the value of c? 16. That means it is 25 minus 4 into 16, 64. That is means it is minus 39. This less than 0. That means it does not have any real solution. So x does not belong to R. That means we shall get imaginary value. So let us just put the value and find the x. So if we, what is the value of x? What is the value of b? B is minus 5, so it will become 5 only. This is minus 39 by 2 I say. What is the value of a? A is 1. So this is 2 into 1, that is 2. So this is 5 plus minus. This minus 1 minus can be written as I square into 39 by 2. Because I, in case of imaginary number, I square is always considered as minus 1. So that means what is the value of x? 5 plus minus I root over 39 by 2. So these are the two values. Two values are imaginary and the other two values are real solutions. So we altogether we have got 4 values of x. If you have liked my videos, please subscribe and share as much as possible. Thank you.